Dear student, today we discuss about skills. Learning a language depend on the skills. There are four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These are the four skills are compulsory to learn any language. We divide into two parts these skills: primary skills and secondary skills. For example, primary skills primary skills are listening, speaking, and secondary skills are reading and writing. One of the other category about the skills we can divide into two other parts: receptive skill and productive skill. In receptive skill, listening skill and reading skills, and productive skills, speaking and writing skills. First of all, we discuss about listening. Generally, we mean listening means to hearing, but that is not a proper meaning of listening. The proper meaning of listening is that hearing with understanding. It means hearing means only to hear, but here is the important that not only hear but also understanding. Suppose that a person says something about any topic, you know, you only hear it, do not give the answer. But when you are understanding this matter, you given the proper answer of the questions. That means you are properly understanding. So that is the meaning of listening. Same as well speaking. Simply we mean some sound we speak, that is speaking. It means not only speaking correctly, but speaking with correct pronunciation, with rhythm, rhyme, and proper stress and intonation. It is the fully meaning of speaking. So speaking means not only to speak the words, but speak the words with proper intonation, stress, rhyme, and rhythm. Same as reading. The third skill is reading. What do you mean about reading? Generally, we read a text. Generally, we read a text for the meaning. That is reading. But when we do not need any meaning of the whole sentence, that is aloud reading. So aloud reading is not necessary to word in a sentence at the time of reading. So reading is the important skill. It means earlier stage of the students can be learned reading by the newspaper, some storybooks, letters, etc. At the last point of the skills are writing. Writing means to write clearly. Generally, we say that writing means write with clearly and neatly. It means neat and smooth and clearly write the words in a sentence that only we also read easily, but also other person can be read easily. That is the writing. This is the chapter of skills. शुरू शुरू में इसमें एजिटेशन होती है.